It would be a shame if I fell off this bridge right now. It would be such a shame. Okay. Hello, everyone. It's been a while since I've done a video. Today I'm gonna be eat a huge waffle. By the way, don't ask why I'm Chikawa. I think Chikawa is a cute little guy. Anyways. Nah, bro, why is everyone dead? Why'd you? Santa. Can you? No, I'm stuck in a loop. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Solo. Ah, save me! My lag. Okay, I unlagged. Sukuna. Oh my gosh, this looks funny. Oh. When's a bro, why didn't you guys eat any more of the waffle? I wanted to destroy the waffles, bro. Oh, my lag is so bad. Oh my god. Okay. Subscribe. Subscribe. Oh my god. Subscribe. Okay, anyways. Bro, why? Ah! What I didn't deserve this. Bro, I fell off the map twice. And then thrice because I got flung with my gravity. Oh, hold on, let me mark it out. It's that one right here. It's this one. When I was using it, I flew away and I lost the whole flippin' map, bro. I lost it. It was gone. Yippee. Because I don't want to be wasting so much time. Anyways. Okay, why is my lag this bad? Chikoa. Wait, can I make? Oh, I can't make them fly. Well, I can fling them. Whee! Whee! Yahoo! Oh. Oh, I'm gonna get flung. Watch. Yahoo! Yahoo! Ah! There I am, dead Chico. Let's blow up some people. Oh, let's blow up the ants, bro. Why do I have to lag? Ah! Touch me! 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 I'm scared. Am I just? Let's fly! Let's fly, boys. We're gonna fly out to the sun. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got so close though. Did Sukuna die? Oh fudge. I'm slanted. I'm doing the Michael Jackson. That was funny. Bye. Chico says bye. No! What the? Anyways. Aha! There we go. I think I fixed it. What the? Gang, I'm cooked. I'm cooked, gang. And we're back. Okay, anyways. Is this the same server? No, wait. Oh, this isn't the same server. That's such a funny avatar. That avatar is so goofy. Oh my god. Can I please? Can I have the ball? 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 Can I have the Where's the flippin' diamond piece? Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh, okay. I thought she stole my thing. Let's go, gang. We're gonna fly. I believe I could fly. I believe I could touch the sky. Oh my god. Look at me. I'm just so chico. Okay, now to torture them. Fuck! Okay, yes. Yes. It looks like the moon. It looks like the moon. And after this, we're gonna go into a natural disaster, which is gonna be in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3. I just noticed I should do a transmission. Okay, we're gonna do a transmission. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Ah! Fuck! What the heck? What are those? What are these two? What the heck? What the heck are these avatars? Okay, we're just gonna block that out. Yay. At least I know it's Chicoa. By the way, I'm not good at editing. Ah! We gotta run! We gotta run! Looking for you. Ah! Avoid high and open places. Okay, so let me... Ah! What the heck? Okay. 5 seconds ago, I literally saw a freaking slide. Oh my god. Oh no. No. Hey, I didn't take any damage. Okay. What is this, bro? Okay. Let's go in here because I'm hiding from someone. Okay, starts playing Fortnite on here. Do. Hide! Please don't come down here. Please don't come down here. There's a tornado! Wait, these be tornadoes, right? I'm gonna head down here. Please don't kill me. What did I ever do to you, tornado? Oh fudge, that thing's over there. Oh, if I oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh no, oh no, oh dear, oh dear. You don't wanna run from it! Run from it, bro! Run! Oh, the ball's gonna roll. Whee! Bro, that thing took everything! Oh my god. Run! 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 Dragon! And wake up. Did they leave the game? Hey, it's Chainsaw Man. Hi, Chainsaw Man. There would be a shame if I fell off this bridge right now. That would be such a shame. Right? Right? It would be... Never mind. Ah! Ah! How is the acid rain missing me? The acid rain miss. The acid rain is buns. Acid rain is buns. Never mind. Come here. Please. Ah! Taking the hit. Oh no, I'm losing. I'm still dying. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah. It was... Ah, she died. Ah, no. I'm Mickey Mouse. I'm Mickey Mouse. I'm Mickey Mouse. No, I died. Well, that's the end of the video.